Hey eufy fans, it's Paul, admin of the world's largest eufy dedicated Facebook group, Eufy Security Camera Owners, where you can find worldwide discounts on our featured posts. In this video, I'm going to explain how to expand your storage on your HomeBase 3. My HomeBase 3 has 15 cameras attached, and as a result, I'm running at 9% storage remaining. Technically, that means it's full. This means I only get around a week of storage due to old videos being overwritten. And to rectify this, I've purchased a 1TB hard drive to put in my HomeBase, and I'll need a screwdriver. To find which hard drives are compatible, head to Eufy's own website or our Facebook group, Eufy Security Camera Owners. It needs to be a 2.5-inch hard drive and can be anything from 500 megabytes up to 16 terabytes. Fitting the hard drive is easy. We just remove the slot on top, which you'll need a crosshead screwdriver, pull the tray out. We then take the hard drive. Now you need to make sure this goes the right way, so the contact's towards the bottom. Slot that in. Secure the 4 screws. And then insert back into the HomeBase, ensuring it's closed fully. Lastly, put the screw back in the top and the lid on, all done. Plug the HomeBase back in, wait for the red light to turn blue, and you're back in business. My HomeBase 3 now shows us 1 terabyte. You will need to format the hard drive, and the app tells you how to do this. We're now ready to use. On a side note, existing footage will still be available on the HomeBase itself. I hope you found that useful. Any questions, please ask in the comments and I'll do my best to answer. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing.